In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to close your Coinbase account. It is super easy to do. So step 1 is to empty your crypto chambers. Before closing your Coinbase account, you should make sure that you don't have any cryptocurrencies or funds inside your Coinbase account. If you have any cryptocurrencies in your account, you'll need to sell them and withdraw the funds to your bank account. Step 2 is to unlink the chains. You'll need to disconnect and unlink bank accounts and payment methods so you won't get charged accidentally automatic investments you might have set up. You can do this by going into payment methods under settings and disconnect each source. Step 3. Wrap up pending transition. Make sure all pending transition have settled before initiating the closure procedure. Step 4. Close account. Coinbase lets you either close your account or permanently delete your account. You need to find out what option is best for you. If you're on the web, you need to be on your profile page, click on Close Account near the bottom, review all the information and enter your password and click Confirm. If you're on a mobile, tap on the menu icon, select Profile and Settings, and go to Close Account and follow the steps. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!